Hi again, I'm Peter from the Ultimate WordPress Guide, and today I'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. We'll start by creating the tag first, and then I'll show you how to put it onto your website. So what is Google Tag Manager and why should you bother? Tag Manager is a tool with a user-friendly web-based interface that simplifies the process of working with tags and help you gain more insight on what is happening on your website. It allows you to quickly and easily update measurement codes and related code fragments, collectively known as tags, on your website. Well, that's a lot of technical mumbo jumbo, but what does it actually mean? In its simplest form, if you wanted to see how many times a visitor clicked on a specific button on your page, or for example, track a visitor's behavior on your site to help you improve the layout of a landing page, using Google Tag Manager is how you would do it. Tag Manager was created to empower marketers in managing analytics and marketing tags on their websites efficiently. It is fully customizable and an ideal solution to streamline your reporting, modify your readers' content experience, control their micro-level behavior when interacting with your content, improve engagement, and the list goes on. Being able to use this tool effectively will have a great impact on your website's SEO. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, tap the bell for notifications, and stay up to date with all of our latest content. With that out of the way, let's get started and get this into your website. If you don't have a Google Tag Manager account yet, head over to marketingplatform.google.com to sign up and you can start for free. If you have an existing Tag Manager account, simply head to the Sign Into Tag Manager. Once logged into your Tag Manager account, first and foremost you'll need to create a new account which you'll assign the property to. I'll head over to the Create Account button, and here I need to specify the account setup and the details about the account. So that will be the name of the company or the website. I need to specify the country and the container. The container will be my website URL, and then I need to tell it whether it is a website, application for iOS, Android, and so on. So I'll go ahead and give this a name. The container here is ultimatewpseo.com. It is a web application. I'll click on Create. It'll ask you to read through the terms and conditions. Be sure to do so, and also to accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. I'll hit the checkbox, I'll click on Yes, and that will create your tag property. Once it's created, you'll get a pop-up that gives you the Tag Manager details that you now need to install on your website. The first part is a tag that needs to go into the head of your website, and then there's a second portion, a piece of script that needs to go into the body tag. Before we copy these, let's head over to our WordPress dashboard and install the plugin that we'll need to get both of these tags into our site. On my WordPress dashboard, I now want to go into the plugins section. I click on Add New, and the plugin I'm looking for is Insert Headers and Footers by WP Beginner. That's the one over there. I'll click on Install Now. Once it's installed, I'll hit Activate. With the plugin now installed and activated, I'll head over to my settings menu, and right at the bottom I have Insert Headers and Footers. I'll click on that to open. And here you can see under the settings area, this is where I need to paste the scripts for the header, for the body, and if I have any footer scripts in the footer. So if I then head back to my Google Tag Manager, I'll go and copy the code that's required to paste in the head. Back into my WordPress site, I'll paste the header code. Back into Tag Manager, I'll copy the body script and paste that in as well. Once I've pasted both of these in, I'll hit save, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful or helpful, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell for notifications to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Bye for now.